Hello, thank you guys for watching this, for taking your time. Welcome to this YouTube channel. We are going back to the river now. Yeah, have you said you heard that they banned us from showering to the in the river, but now they have opened. I'm going to try to see whether they'll allow me to take shower, guys. Yeah, you can see me. Here's the village. You can see the village how it looks. We have a very planting season. We have a very beautiful village. You can see the house there behind. Yeah, we are now going to the river, guys. Thank you for watching. If you are new in this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. Kindly support me, guys. Support me. Subscribe to the channel. Like and share. You can share to your friends, your family members, your everybody. You can just share the video. Let the video goes viral now, guys. Let the video goes viral. Here it's Frame, guys. Watching me from the village of Nyabohanse, guys. Watching me from the village of Nyabohanse. Subscribe to the channel. Like and share. You can see how we pass. Normally pass like that while we are going to the river. Yeah. Welcome, guys. Let's go together. Let's have our time. Go together to the river as I take you this journey across the village. Hey, what's up? Something has, you see, something has do something to my here. Do something to my legs. Where is it? I don't see it. Now, guys, thank you. Subscribe to my channel, like and share. We normally take a long trip to the river. Yeah, you can see how we do farming here. Here we have small maize plant coming up, try to grow. And now I'm taking you to the river where I get bath. Look how beautiful is the village. Look how Sato. Guys, you can see the banana trees. Banana forests are all over. You can see the avocado tree, but it has not yet give the fruit. Yeah, the maize has already been removed from the shamba or from the garden, and I'm heading to the river, guys. Yeah, I'm heading to the river. For those people who are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe. It's Framework. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Kindly, just humble request. You just subscribe to the channel, like and share, watch all the videos. You are free to comment anything that you wish to comment. No restrictions to my channel. Yeah, put all your comment there. Enjoy the video. Yeah, I'm about to reach the river. You can see the river, the place you see the stones, that is the river now. Yeah, here's the river, guys. You see how the river looks? Yeah, that's the river coming from up there. But I'll not use this, that place not clean. Now I'm going this way. I'll get into the river where we take bath, guys. Welcome, family. Welcome to this YouTube channel. Yeah, welcome again and welcome. You see, thank you for watching the channel. I really appreciate you. I appreciate your time and everything, guys. Welcome again and again. Hey guys, before I go to shower, let me take you just a small tour along our river, guys. You see the river, how it looks. It's so attractive. It's more attractive, guys. Let me take you across the river. You see how the river looks and how beauty it is now, guys. Let's start from here. I have to get shower, guys. You just take a small tour here. You see how the river looks. It flows downwards like that. Yeah, it goes down and down there. The cows or the kettles normally get water from down there. People are showering up here. And some people are taking laundry around also. You can see how the place look. It's a nice place. Let me cross the river. Guys, I'm taking you across this river. You see, it's not an easy walk. Me getting the content for you. You see, the other one flows from this side and the other one from the other side. You see how it looks? This one looks like an island here. I'm now on the highland. Yeah. You're watching this guy from East Africa, Kenya, guys. This is Fremwe. Continue. This tree was it grew near the river. I know now it will never dry. It gets a lot of and enough water. Can you see we have a lot of stones. There is a lot of stones. You can see. So the other water passed the other way, and the other one this way. We are still going to a place of bath, but I was just taking you just a small tour along the river. You see how it's look. These are the stones that damaged my phone. You can see how the stones looks. For those people who love nature, you can now watch it from this place, this point. You have another island there where the other time I took bath from that place. You can see that place. There's a fall there, a small fall. I hope you are together, guys. I used to come and get shower here. You can see the place. I'm approaching my place, my point of shower. Mura, lazima uko ni deep sana. Si ungeenda kuogelea huko. Hauwezi pelekwa, simama itakuzuia. Na umeparara. Vile umeparara. Bado nimeparara. Sasa venye umejipanguza lakini bado hapa. Guys, small fall there. Guys, you can see this is now the fall. This is a small fall. You can see it here. Oh yeah, Rob. Unatakaje? Unatakaje? Kwa ni riski bwana. Hata afadhali niogee hapa chini. Siniogee tu hapa. Eh? Sawa kabisa. Kuja uone. Sasa tafuta mali itatoka clear. Angalia. Hapo. Eh?
Kwa hii mauto wake.
Yoge kwa hii mawe.
Hapa
Mulika kwa hiyo mawe nione. Na mimi niende sura nione.
Sasa tuko position nzuri. Ha?
Ndio unachukua hapa kwa nini? Namulika huko.
Narudisha hapa. Narudisha hapa. Haya.
Sasa unafaa ukae huko juu.
Kwani naendelea kureko?
Guys, it's time to shower now, guys. It's time to shower. You see our small fall here. Flows down there. Yeah. It's time to shower, guys. And let me remove my clothes. Want to remove my clothes, guys? I have my soap here. I was taught by my friend Barak that this is the dog. You don't know what is the dog? I'm going down to shower, guys. Guys, I don't know how to swim. I only know how to get shower and bath. Swimming not my part. so much for watching this video, and thank you for subscription. If you are new to this channel, it's your first time you have seen this channel, me getting shower here at our small fall here, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share, guys. I'm now clean. You can see I'm clean now, guys. Yeah, this is our shower here in the village. Normally you have to come here and get shower and become clean, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like and share, please, and kindly watch the video, subscribe and share. Bye bye until another day, guys.